This power distribution network has over 500 residential, commercial, and industrial customers being supplied on this power circuit. Using this network, we'll show you how GE solutions enable utilities to meet the challenges of detecting and isolating an unexpected fault on this distribution network and quickly restoring power to customers. Reliable power is the goal of every utility, but some outages can't be avoided. Without advanced distribution solutions, this can mean large blackouts that last a long time, and it's up to customers to notify the utility when the power goes out. Then repair crews need to drive around the blackout area until they find the fault. In this scenario, the utility does not have GE's advanced distribution solutions. When the fault occurs, the entire circuit immediately goes down and all 500 customers lose power. The utility doesn't know the fault location, so they need to dispatch a repair crew to find it. This can take a long time, and there is a cost to each residential, commercial, and industrial customer for every hour of downtime. There can also be penalties imposed on the utility for every hour of downtime. Let's take a look at how GE's distribution solutions can dramatically improve distribution network performance. GE's advanced fault detection, isolation, and restoration solution offers unprecedented control over power outages. GE sensors and control devices immediately detect and isolate the fault, reroute power, and restore the majority of the power network. Operators are notified via GE's distribution management software and dispatch a repair crew to the exact site of the power system fault. The crew fixes the fault and quickly restores power to the remainder of the network. Let's take an in-depth look at how GE's solution works. A fault occurs on a main segment of a distribution line, causing an unplanned power outage. GE relays and smart controllers for breakers, reclosers, and switches execute a coordinated scheme to identify and isolate the fault. Of the 500 customers on this circuit, only 280 suffer this initial power outage. With GE's solution, the customers upstream from the fault experience only a brief interruption in power. GE monitoring devices gather information on the fault and alert the utility via a rugged GE wireless network. GE's distribution management system determines that the customers downstream of the fault can have power safely restored by closing a switch between the faulted circuit and a neighboring circuit. This brings power back to another 230 customers. Now, only 50 customers are without power. Personnel at the control center use software visualization tools such as Distribution Management System and Outage Management System to monitor the situation. Now that the fault has been isolated, the OMS is ready to dispatch available repair crews to assess and repair the faulted circuit area. GE's line-mounted monitoring sensors accurately identify the fault. The location and details of the fault are wirelessly communicated back to the OMS. The repair crew receives order and map information via a mobile data device. Once the crew has completed the repairs, they restore the circuit, bringing power back to the remaining customers. Throughout this process, all the actions and data is recorded for audit and training purposes to further enhance system performance. GE's distribution solutions provide utilities with the tools they need to rapidly gather system information and execute advanced fault detection, isolation, and restoration schemes.